Imagine this. It's the end of the month and you're staring at your bank account, but instead of stress, you feel a rush of excitement. Why? Because the money flowing in isn't just from your 9 to 5. It's from something extra, something powerful that you built on your own. Welcome to the world of side hustles, the ultimate tool to boost your income in 2025 and get closer to financial freedom. Today, we're diving into 7 real side hustles that aren't just trends, they're proven income boosters. If you've ever thought about breaking out of the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle or just adding a serious cushion to your finances, this is for you. But here's the kicker. Only those who stay until the end will find out about the one strategy that can make even the smallest income stream explode in value over time. So, let's jump in with hustle number 1, but trust me, you'll want to stay tuned because each one builds on the last. Number 1. Freelance consulting and your expertise. Let's start with something you might not have considered, turning your existing skills into a consulting business. Ask yourself this: what do I know that someone else might pay for? Think marketing, tech support, graphic design, or even tutoring. There's an incredible demand for niche expertise, and people are willing to pay for knowledge that can fast-track their goals. And don't worry, you don't have to be a wizard or a genius. Even if you're like, I just know Excel, there's a market for that. Spreadsheets aren't everyone's cup of tea. But let's say you're more hands-on. You like creating tangible things. In that case, side hustle number 2 might be your ticket. Number 2. Crafting and selling handmade goods online. In 2025, handmade items will be more in demand than ever. People crave originality, and platforms like Etsy and even Instagram shops have made it easier to connect with buyers. You can start small, whether it's custom jewelry, hand-poured candles, or personalized gifts. Remember, people are tired of generic, mass-produced stuff. They want something that feels unique and personal. Imagine seeing your very first sale come through, knowing someone across the country is unboxing something you made. That's not just money, that's fulfillment. But maybe you're thinking, I'm not that crafty. Well, let's move on to something that doesn't require a creative touch. Number 3. Becoming a virtual assistant. Virtual assisting is one of the most flexible and scalable side hustles out there. As more small businesses and entrepreneurs pop up, the need for someone to manage admin work, emails, or social media grows. You're essentially getting paid to organize someone else's life. Ever wonder what it would be like to get paid to be someone's right hand? It might sound a bit odd, but if you love multitasking and staying organized, this could be perfect. Speaking of things that are perfect for those who like variety, let's look at a hustle that's gaining major traction. Number 4. Online course creation and teaching. If you have a knack for explaining things or a skill you've mastered, there's a huge opportunity in online education. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create courses on anything you're knowledgeable about: cooking, photography, even personal finance. With the rapid shift to online learning, there's a growing demand for courses from real, relatable people. If you can create quality content, this can be a passive income stream for years. And if teaching isn't your thing, but you still want to leverage online platforms, stay tuned. Our next hustle requires zero teaching. Number 5. Affiliate marketing and content creation. Affiliate marketing is a hidden gem for those who already have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following. By recommending products or services that you believe in, you can earn commissions whenever someone makes a purchase through your link. And no, you don't need to be a Kardashian to make this work. Even a small, engaged audience can yield serious results. Now, if social media isn't your thing but you still want to capitalize on digital opportunities, let's explore an alternative that could set you up for monthly income. Number 6. Subscription-based services. Patreon, OnlyFans, Substack. With subscription-based services, people pay to access exclusive content from creators. Whether it's a newsletter, behind-the-scenes videos, or even exclusive podcasts, platforms like Patreon, Substack, or OnlyFans give you a way to earn recurring revenue from dedicated followers. Imagine having hundreds of people paying $5 a month. That's thousands of extra dollars every single month. And now, for the final side hustle, the one that has the potential to take a little investment and turn it into consistent revenue. Number 7. Investing in real estate rentals via platforms. Real estate is no longer reserved for the wealthy. Platforms like Fundrise and Roofstock let you invest in real estate with as little as $500, opening up opportunities for anyone to own rental property passively. Think about it. While others are sitting on the sidelines, you could be quietly building rental income, benefiting from the property value appreciation over time. This hustle has the power to not only add to your income, but also grow your wealth. So, there you have it. 7 powerful side hustles that can transform your income in 2025. Whether you're consulting, creating, assisting, teaching, recommending, curating, or investing, each one is a building block toward a more financially secure and wealthy life. But remember, the longer you wait, the more time slips away. These opportunities are waiting, but they won't wait forever. Don't let 2025 be another year of just wishing for more income. Make it the year you take action. Now, if you're serious about building wealth, there's something even more powerful than any side hustle. Check out our next video on the power of compounding to discover how even a small amount of money can multiply over time. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Just click the link on the end screen, and I'll see you there.